What does religion deal with? Religion deals with the truths of the metaphysical world, just as chemistry and the other natural sciences deal with the truths of the physical world. The book one must read to learn chemistry is the book of nature. Now, what exactly is this book of nature? What kind of book is it? It is a book which deals with the qualities a person should have. This book stands for benevolence, organization, optimism, and kinship. It is highly essential that man should learn to be natural. He should not try to superimpose himself upon others.